Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to schedule Facebook post easily on your phone. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the page you manage. Scheduling works only for page, not personal profiles. Step 2. Tap the create button or the write something box. Tap your caption, add photos, videos or links just like a normal post. Step 3. After writing your post, tap next or continue at the top right corner. Step 4. Now look for scheduling options or schedule at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. Step 5. Pick the exact date and time you want your post to go live. Make sure the time zone is correct. Step 6. Tap schedule to confirm your post is now set and will automatically publish at the selected time, and that's it. That's how you schedule Facebook post easily on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful. Drop a like, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.